Hello, it's Wednesday, September 15th, and we're at Epcot. Look what they have on the sign now. World Showcase Creations. More importantly, we're actually here for Club Cool. We waited till the Rileys got out of school, and they're excited to try some sodas. I hear they have some new sodas, and they took away some of the old ones. But that they still have Beverly. We're literally just walking in, and Bubby's has already gotten 2 families commenting on his Remy's. Hashtag famous. Literally Creations open today. Mouse Gear shut down. You still see the sign. Hi, Mouse Gear. Okay, look at this.
Oh my God.
There's Test Track. Mission Space.
Looks like there's a big line to go.
Creations. There is, of course, a line, but we're doing it. It's right there. It's a pretty good line for Club Cool. A lot of people got excited about this. Plus, it probably wouldn't have been so bad earlier, but we waited until the boys got out of school. It is weird to be back in here again. We need to go in there next. Oh, hello. We're not getting enough attention? Oh, okay. It's been like a couple minutes since somebody's stared at your Remy.
No.
Look, they have spaceship Earth yoga pants. With pockets. I don't know what you would put in there. Oh, hopes and dreams. And that's a weird place for your Invisalign case.
Put it right there.
What are you most excited to try? Oh my God, this is getting very Inception. It showed you anyway.
It looks like we waited in line to get in line. We made it inside though.
I like this natural light that comes in on the ear. That's nice.
I wonder if they give you your free birthday slushie again, because they have frozen beverage. It's a hat with all the different like languages for Coca-Cola. You're in Club Cool. That's like a Club Cool hat.
I thought names.
$29.99. These are cute. They just have a tiny little Coke can on
Oh,
them.
that's actually a cool shirt. I kind of like it.
That's a hat.
I mean, yeah.
They have a million bottle openers. Wow, a big soda thing.
Fancy floors made out of recycled Coca-Cola bottles.
Is it really?
Yep. Floors are really cool. There's Coca-Cola.
Who
Coca-Cola.
actually brings this guy with us?
Coca-Cola.
What are those?
They have Sprite here, but it has cucumber in it.
There's something wrong. The floor is not sticky enough.
Oh, Finnegan, come on. What's happening? Okay. Go. I need to see your face.
What can I get for you, Fanny? Which
Okay.
one do you want?
Cheers.
Cheers. Beverly from Italy. It's just as good as you remember.
Let me fill it for you, okay?
Let me see the. Let me see. Okay, Quinn, look at Mama. Taste it.
Sure. I'm gonna try.
Oh, is it good? Yeah, that one's good, right? Careful that you don't spill it. Oh, Finn. Wait, I don't know what they're having.
This is the Viva Raspberry.
Yeah, what is Finn having?
He's having the Sprite from Russia.
Oh, is that good?
You like Russian Sprite?
I don't think so. He put his mask on. Quinn's having having the royal watermelon, right?
Careful, careful, careful.
What one was that, Riley?
Watermelon.
Oh, was it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm tasting.
Does it taste like Sour Patch Kids? Oh, it does.
I'm tasting bonbon.
Bonbon from Madagascar. Is it good? It says it's like tropical fruit flavors. Yeah, Finnegan wants a different one. He
Okay, I'll get you. This is the Viva Raspberry from Moldova.
Wow, you really tipped it back. Oh.
Oh. It's like cough syrup.
No, I doubt it.
Would you like one for you?
Yeah, pour me one. I'll have it. Country Club from the Dominican Republic.
One doesn't taste too bad, actually. It kind of
Which
tastes
one do you want? You want to try the one
kind
I'm
of tastes
doing?
like orange peels.
Wait, Riley, are you tasting the bonbon? Okay.
Which one?
Bonbon.
Okay.
Is that good?
It's really sweet.
I'm tasting the
Joy
apple juice,
Corp from
which
Korea.
which is not going to end well because I don't like apple juice.
Smells like raspberry jello.
It's fine, but stop.
Well, that's good.
Good cough syrup?
Everybody
So you
likes
drink
it.
cough syrup too?
No, everybody likes that.
I'm going to try some of
You're
this
just
country
a
club from
weirdo.
the Dominican Republic. It's pronounced Morengue.
Bubbies, did you like that?
No, I don't like apple juice.
Okay.
Dominican Republic Country Club, go.
Here we are.
You're just not gonna like anything. Oh, you didn't even. Oh my god.
Oh, what have I done?
Nobody give Dad anything else.
That's bad. You taste that.
What is
You're
it?
getting one of those.
I don't want anything else. Did anybody have the China one yet?
Finnegan, you can't do that. Ask
I'll get it for you.
What does that even say? Sour plum flavor. Okay, Riley.
This one, Finny?
Wait, I'm. Not good. China with their sour plum flavor. I think it has like some tea in there. Yucky. Okay, I'm not gonna try that. Okay, what's your favorite, Bubbies?
none of them,
Oh,
but probably,
no.
Goes in the garbage.
Okay, I'll come back to you. Riley, what's your favorite? Royal watermelon
that one tastes
from the
bad.
Philippines.
I think
What's
all-
your
I
favorite?
don't think all of them taste bad, but I guess
Okay. Dylan, what's your fave?
I only tried two.
Oh,
The
I
Viva
liked the one
raspberry
I
was
tasted.
better than the.
Yeah, it's so good. I don't even know what he's tasting. Viva. Yeah, Viva's good. Maeve saw the baby. How was your Club Cool experience? Besides the fact that your brothers spilled a bunch of crap all over you.
They spilled pop everywhere throughout the entire.
That's what you get for saying it wasn't a sticky floor. It's not sticky enough in here. It's not sticky enough in here. And then these two.
I hear some bitterness in your voice right now.
So obviously all of us did not try all of the sodas because that would have taken literally all
I
night.
tried most of the sodas.
But we
Except
tried
for
some.
That, like one China one and the cucumber.
Next time, let's just come by ourselves. We'll get some more footage later. I learned that the Viva raspberry soda tastes like raspberry jello.
It does taste like raspberry cough syrup.
No, what is raspberry cough syrup? What kind of cough syrup have you had, dude? That isn't that thing. Raspberry cough syrup?
Like Robitussin?
That's grape, I'm pretty sure.
There's gotta be some raspberry cough syrup.
They have cherry cough syrup. We're just waiting for our food right now, and we can see the rocket launch. Somebody just asked if it was a UFO.
Remember, these are reusable rockets. That's the Falcon 9 coming back down.
We are are heading out of the World Showcase. Fireworks are about to start. It's almost 9 o'clock. We're trying to go see the Creation shop, so hopefully we can still poke our head in there real quick. Okay, we're going into Creations right after 9 o'clock. So much Halloween. Pretty fun. The puzzle that I would totally buy if I had time to do puzzles. Oh my gosh, there's I can't look at all this stuff tonight, but we're just gonna cruise through here super quickly. Dog toys. I think that store is great. I saw a lot of people complaining about it online, and I think it's fine. It's like a giant Epcot gift shop. It's great. I need to go back and get some Epcot shirts.
Like and subscribe, bye.
We loved Club Cool, the new Club Cool. Okay, thank you everyone. We loved the new Club Cool. I love the new Creations shop. Can't wait to go back and just spend like some more time there without all the first reopening day lines. Right, buddy?
Yep.
What's up in the plans for the future, bud? I don't know. Well, we're going to Spooktacular opening weekend this weekend at SeaWorld. Do a little trick-or-treating. Yeah. This is getting weird. One of the security guards started to sing Sweet Caroline when we're on our way out, and now Dylan's playing it on his iPhone in the parking lot.